This is take 4 of my short but sweet Bajo Boquete Panama tour. Here we have a couch, and I'm not going to front because that's how I unload my stuff on the first day before I get better organized. I'll be here for another 8 nights. Here we've got a wardrobe for the clothing. A nice comfortable bed. Cable TV. Little fridge. Gas stove. Sink. Small appliances for everything you need. Bunch of my crap that needs to be organized today. The complimentary bag of coffee, which happens to be the only brand I've been buying since here. Nice little workstation right next to the window, which I have open right now because it's beautiful springtime weather. Eternally springtime weather here. Across the street we have El Cacho Gym. Over there, oh look, Cafe Duran. In the bathroom. Got the comfortable towels. Shower I'm going to be using in a little while. But yeah, it's a cozy, comfortable little place for 2, maybe 3 if somebody needed to sleep on the couch. But yeah, this is my home for another 8 nights. Until next time, ciao.